She is, again you tell what is your name,
My name is Raha Begum Lashkar.
and now she is dare to take this video. Nobody want to do, but she has that one. So nice, I appreciate this one. So you now take this one and front inside this one. And so it is online classes. Welcome to all of you. I am directly taking from my section. It is, I think it is Newton. No? Yes, Newton section directly I am taking. All students are in front of me. Let's explain. Come to this side. So now I am going to explain what is limit. Limit क्या है? Limit माने क्या? उल्टा प्रत्यय बुझाए. Limit माने कार limit है. Limit general meaning is what? আমি যদি কই your limit is up to that much. মানে क्या? You cannot cross that one. This is the meaning of what? যেমন আমি একজনকে বললাম যে তুমি এর উপরে যেতে পারবে না. This is your ultimate limit. That means he is bounded up to that one. Yes or not? So, under the mathematics, something is like that. That two variables are there, x and y. Mathematics से দুইটা variable আমি নিলাম, একটা x আর একটা y. Y is fully depends on x. Y is fully depends on x. কিরকম? x এর একটা ভ্যালু y এর পরে y এর একটা ভ্যালু আইব. x টা কিটা ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট, y টা কিটা ডিপেন্ডেন্ট. কথাটা বুঝলি? যেমন আমি एग्जांपल দেখাই. হাইট এন্ড এইজ. এটা নিলাম হাইট আর এইজ. সো হাইট আর এইজ is what? Suppose your age is 1 year. তোমার বয়স 1 বছর. তো তোমার হাইটও তো একটা নির্দিষ্ট পরিমাণে হইবে না? that thing you know. যত এজ বাড়বো হাইটও বাড়বো না. So height and age both are related to each other. একটা মানুষের বয়স আর হাইট ডিপেন্ড করে না একটার উপরে আরেকটা. Yes or not? If I take x is the age and y is the height, so shall I write y is fx, y is function of x, y depends on x, y টা x এর উপরে ডিপেন্ড করে. ঠিক আছে তো? Is it clear or not? Now a new symbol I have written, x, arrow mark given. This name is what? Tends to. Tends to মানে কি? Tends to meaning क्या? Means x value of x is taken what very near to the value 2. x 2 का नजदीक ले रहा हूँ. x का वैल्यू 2 से एकदम बराबर नजदीक, थोड़ा डिफरेंस हो सकता है लेकिन 2 के पास जा रहा हूँ x का वैल्यू. Suppose x I have taken 1.999. Is it very closer to 2? Like that, if I take x as 2.001, this is also near to 2. So if I take x is very near to 2, তখন this y may be what? Very near to 7. তখন y वैल्यूটাও वो भी क्या होगा? 7 की नजदीक जाना. 7 का आजू-बाजू में है उसका वैल्यू. Is it clear to you? X and y both are related. As x approaches towards 2, y is approaches towards 7. This simple thing has given the symbol limit fx, x tends to 2 is 7. इसी को ही बोलते हैं fx का लिमिट जब x 2 की नजदीक जाएगा तो उसका वैल्यू 7, मतलब fx का वैल्यू 7 के आजू-बाजू में रहेगा, उसको बोलते हैं fx का लिमिट. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now limit, as I have taken that limit of this one, but always it may not exist. একটা জিনিস আমি কই দিলাম কিন্তু এটা তো অ্যাপ্লিকেবল নাও হইতে পারে. যেমন আমি কইলাম যে that one student has to study in the college. একটা স্টুডেন্ট এই কলেজে পড়বে, তখন আপনার পড়তে যদি চায়, he should have some condition for being admission. এই কলেজে অ্যাডমিশন হওয়ার কিছু কন্ডিশন থাকতে পারে। That is called what? That is condition for admission in the college. Limited ব্যাপারে ওই রকম আছে। I request all of you not to take water during the classes. এটা রেস্টুরেন্ট না, মনে হইলো তুলি দিলাম খাই দিলাম, আর মনে হইলো সারা মতন টয়লেট দিতাম, ক্লাস শেষ হওয়ার পরে একটু আগে খাইলিও, পরে খাইলিও, বা ইউ টেক ইউর টাইম। স্যার আমি একটু টাইম পেলে যারা জল খাওয়ার খাইলে না, ঠিক আছে, কারণ ক্লাস ডিস্টার্ব হবে। সো লিমিট অলসো হ্যাভ সাম কন্ডিশন। Limit also exists if limit of fx x tends to a is equal to L will exist. Condition আছে সব সময় limit exist with or not. So when limit will exist if LHL is equal to RHL. In class 10 you have learned what? That LHS is LHS RHS. ঠিক না নি? Left hand side, right hand side. এখানেও একটু বদলায়। LHL, RHL, left hand limit, right hand limit. If both are equal, then limit will exist. Limit तभी exist होगा अगर ये दोनों बराबर रहे। ये दोनों अगर इक्वल नहीं हो तो हो ही नहीं सकता, लिमिट एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं कर सकते। तुम इस कॉलेज में पढ़ ही नहीं सकते अगर तुम क्लास 10 अच्छी तरह से पास नहीं किया हो। क्लास 10 यदि केউ ভালো করে পাস করে না, এই কলেজে পড়তে পারবো নি, পারতো না, তার তো এডমিশনই হইতো না। So it is the condition for taking admission in the college. Like that, limit will exist if these both are equal. And this should be equal to L. L is সমান equal, then it will be like that. Is it clear? Which one it is? Now, one important formula of the limit is what? Limit sin theta by theta when theta tends to 0 is equal to 1. This ratio is always what? One formula it is called, that formula they say what? That value is 1. Is it clear to all of you? Now, if I give a simple sum of limit, suppose I have given instead of fx one new term, that is I have written x square plus x plus 1. So how to calculate this one? कैसे कर सकते हैं ये sum? Your sum will be like that. Then you have to do what? You will replace all the x by the value what? 2. So if I take x is 2, 2 square, 2 plus 1. Simple things. You have to withdraw the limit. Then what you have to do? You will replace all the values, all the x by its that value. This stands 2, but you will put that one. So 2 square is 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Then answer is 7. Now I will give one question and I expect all will do this one. X tends to 5 sin 5 plus 1 this sum I have got. Now yes, she may be tired of. Do you need little rest?
No sir, it's okay.
Okay. So you have to do this sum. Question is sorry. I have not Sin x plus 1 plus x square. This one you have to find. All of you have to do. Maths, non-maths, all of you have to do. Maths and non-maths students, all of you have to do. All of you, put it. I want to see who is first. Now you focus it in our topic. Mobile पे हुए हैं, मैं topic पे focus करूँ. So yes, she is doing, and yes, I am coming. You draw this limit. This one no need to give. Sin pi by 2, right? Sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2. Pi by 2 left. Plus 1 plus inside bracket pi by 2 whole square is equal to sin 90 is what? 1 plus 1 2 with the 2 letter 2 plus pi square by 4. Yes, now you stand up. So what is your name? Kulsuma Begum Borgia. Which school you are? So you what I have explained, is it clear to you? So next time I will give some homework for your house work. So you have to do this. Sit down. Now you stand up. Now, what is your name? Which school? Yes, have you done this sum? Stand up. What is your name? What? Yes. Yuzwana? Which school? Concentrate this one. Yeah. Sin 90 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 pi square by 4. Ultimately it is coming what? 2 pi square by 4. What is your name? Anjuma? Tanjima. Yes. Which school? Sin 90 is what? So why not written like that? About to write so many times. You stand up. What is your name? Huh? Kashmira madam. Which school? Moscow. Huh? Orchid school. So almost you have finished. Now you replace sin 90 by 1. Go. What is your name? Huh? Alisha Mojumdar. Which school? Now so it is almost going to complete. Sin 90 is what? 1 more. Yes. 1 plus 1. What is your name? Atma Hussain. Which school? Very good. Have you done this sum? Yes, very nice. You see, he has done it nicely and correct also. So it is, she has done. You stand up. What is your name? Zakir Hussain Borboia. Which school? Very good, nice. Your answer is correct. So is answer. Very nice. Now you stand up. What is your name? Yes. Then which school? Okay. So you're almost correct, but not last part, not finished. Okay. What is your name? Huh? So can you finish this one? এটা করতে পারবাই নি লাস্টের দিক sin 90 কত 1 নানি 1 plus 1 what 2 ধর এটা pi square by 4 which school you belong huh okay you stand up what is your name Shahidul Alam Majarpur Bhasha So, which school you are? Yes, your answer is correct. Nice. Which standard? What is your name? Yes. Which school? Nice. Okay, your answer is correct. Which standard? What is your name? Ah, great. Mohammed Chaudhary. Your answer is correct also. You. What is your name? Huh? Yes, very good. Your answer is correct. What is your name? Rini Nabi. Oh, हम तो बहुत दिन ग्रुप को देखिए और आंसर इस करेक्ट. Nice. Which school? Okay. What is your name? Manas Chauhan. You see, this boy is Manas Chauhan. Your school? Yes, Silchar Holy Cross School. Kabuganj Holy Cross. His answer is correct. Nice. Your name? You show your answer. What school? Which school? Okay, nice. Good. What is your name? Very good. Your answer is correct. Which school? Very good. Your name?
Master Silent.
Which school?
Okay,
nice. What is your name? Okay. Which school? You cannot write like that. Sin 90 to 1 plus 1 pi square by 4. So 2 plus pi square by. Okay, now so this is our class. I have done from this classroom also, and yes, I have given one homework. So I want to give one homework. So please, you have to do this one. It is like a limit x tends to 1, x square plus 5x minus 7. So this we have to do. So students, I think what I have said that you understood what I